Dear future me, remember when you had to move back home for a little bit? You did feel embarrassed because you were out in the world making your mark, and while it was beautiful, it was hard. But dear future me, you're going to be proud of this moment. Proud that you listened to the universe and surrendered. Surrendered so you could reset, to relaunch into reimagining the life you want for yourself, reimagining the life you currently have, and putting in the work to accomplish the future you have. Dear future me, these are the moments you cherish, that are special, that are intentional, living like you already have what you already have now. Dear future me, always remember how fun and authentic to be, to live life genuinely, to be present in every moment, and laugh, even if it is obnoxiously. Dear future me, remember your love for intentionality and excellence. Practice makes progress, and perfection is never the goal.
It's your baby.
Look what I just discovered. I made a makeshift microphone. I'm a badass. Look at this. I created this on the spot. Mentals is here. Period. Audio is okay. It's not connected right now, but it's about to be litty titty spaghetti. We are in business. Hey, what's up? Welcome to my podcast. Like, nah, this ain't no podcast. You thought. Okay, so this is a reaction video because I'm so excited. So I am an artist. I love to collect art, and I like to purchase art from small businesses, as you'll have seen on my TikTok. If not, go to my TikTok, Ev's Collection _ period. Also on my Instagram, Ev's Collection _ very easy. So I've been following this artist on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok, and it came in last week Saturday, but I haven't opened it because I wanted to do a reaction to it because I'm so excited. So here it goes. It's from Katie Mai's shop by Katie Mai, and I'm so excited. Let's see if we could do some ASMR over here. Okay. Yeah, that sounds good, right? Okay. Whew. I don't know why I'm nervous. Okay. Hold on. This thing ain't opening. Should I close my eyes? Do I close my eyes for something like this? Okay. It's there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Y'all. Oh my god. This is gorgeous. Okay. So I gotta open this. Trying to include some ASMR up in here. Okay. So we're gonna start off with the biggest print because it is. Oh my god. So oh my god, I think she gave me a bonus print. She definitely gave me a bonus print because I ordered this one. This one's my favorite. Look at it. Look at how stunning it is. And she signed it down here. But this right here is, it's just like I saw this and I was like, I need to have it. And I know she did it for Inktober. And then I think it was gone. And then it was back and I was like, listen, I ain't got no money right now, but I need to get it. And then this one, look at the soupy soup. I think that's a stew. Isn't that so cute? Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the postcards because the print that I wanted was out of stock. So I had to get it in or was it? Or yeah, I think, yeah. I don't remember what I'm saying, but oh look. She wrote my name. I see her write the names of people on YouTube, and it's so so beautiful. Okay, so I also saw this one and I had to have it. This one, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. This one I also had to have, 10 out of 10. Hold on. I'm gonna put this up close so y'all can see this, okay? Look at that. Wait, I gotta stick to the mic. Look at that. Boom. Gorgeous. Flawless. Look at that. Come on, Katie Mai. Come on, sis. Do your thing. Here we go. Katie Mai. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Come on, queen. Listen. I watch her YouTubes to go to sleep, to wake up. It's amazing. Okay, also look at this. Don't try to steal my identity, y'all. Look at that artwork. I love artwork. So y'all finna see me post this up on my wall. It's about to be hella cute. Tu sabe que lo que. We love art here. And y'all gonna see me make some of my own art too. We'll do that later. Over and out. You want to frolic in the snow, buddy? Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. George, say hi. George, come on. Let's go outside and play. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No te vayas para allá. Hello, ¿dónde tú vas? Hi. 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 Come on, let's go inside. It's cold. You want to go inside? Oh, come on. Si tú quieres venir para acá de disfrutar de la nieve, of this blizzard, ya tú sabes que lo que, vente para acá. Come on and get this. Yeehaw. If you wanted a white Christmas, we got you. White Christmas, baby. Look at how high the snow is. Let me see. Let me see if I can show you a comparison. It smells pretty high. Hey friends, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate you sticking around to the end of the video. If you like what you see, please consider liking and subscribing. And if you want more content, please feel free to check me out on Instagram and TikTok at evscollection_. See you in the next video.